Meteorologist Jamie Warner, certified by WeatherRate for the most accurate forecast in the Ozarks.
We'll talk about a great start to the work week, Jamie. Highs in the 80s. Where are we anywhere close to records here? I mean, it is more than just warm out there. It is hot.
Yeah, 85 right now. 86 is today's record high in Springfield.
Hey,
so yeah,
close.
we're only a degree off. And the temperature that we've got right now outside, this is more typical of what you would expect to find in the middle of June. Not early April. Beautiful conditions too coming in along with the warmth. Sunny skies, breezy winds. The temperature at this hour, 85 degrees. Notice the dew point still pretty low. We don't have humidity going along with the warmth. In fact, a lot of the moisture that we had earlier this morning got mixed out, and that's helped in terms of getting temperatures to where they are right now. Very quiet scene across the middle of the country for now. That will change. We've got a storm which has barreled into the west coast. It's currently situated here just north of Las Vegas, or at least the center of that storm, and that's what's going to make its way into the middle of the country tomorrow, posing a risk for severe weather, another round of severe weather. And a lot of the same ingredients and the same proportions of those ingredients are in place for this upcoming severe weather event tomorrow that we had back on Friday of last week. Now, looking at instability, yeah, you go outside, it's warm. We do have instability, so that's one of those severe weather ingredients that will certainly be in place ahead of this system as it makes its way into the middle of the country. The problem, though, is we're going to have a cap, probably a fairly strong cap in place on Tuesday, at least during the daytime hours. So that's playing a little bit of havoc with the timing of the onset of the severe weather risk. As it stands right now, this is the Storm Prediction Center outlook. We've got two zones of moderate risk, or level 4 out of 5. One up here toward Iowa into northwest Illinois. I think we will see tornadoes in this area. The other more conditional risk area may be this moderate risk area that we have in northwest Arkansas into south central Missouri. I think as it stands, we're going to probably find two different rounds of potential strong to severe storms. The first round is more iffy. It's the afternoon into the evening round that may develop across Arkansas into south central Missouri, or generally south of I-44. I think if we see storms pop up tomorrow afternoon, they may tend to be more of the elevated variety, at least into the early evening hours on Tuesday. The risk for severe weather, I think, may increase, though, during the evening with those storms if they can become surface-based. So that's the first round. The more sure bet for strong to severe storms will be a developing squall line that will come in with the front late Tuesday evening into the morning hours on Wednesday, and I think we could see development out ahead of that line. And that will be the round of storms that I'm most concerned about for severe weather. This includes an elevated risk of tornadoes. This includes a risk of large hail up to ping pong ball size, and also winds up to 70 miles per hour. So right now, as it stands, I think we're looking at an overnight severe weather event. A lot of folks going to bed, probably not maybe aware of the severe weather. Please make sure that you have multiple sources that will alert you if we do indeed have severe weather, including tornadoes moving through the area late Tuesday night. Looking at our forecast overnight tonight, looks pretty quiet. You know, some of the model guidance has been hinting at the possibility of an hour isolated shower thunderstorm threat coming out of Arkansas. I don't think that's going to amount to much. Tomorrow, it looks like we'll find increasing clouds, and there'll be that risk of a few showers and thunderstorms again, afternoon into the evening. The greater risk, though, is going to come with this activity, and activity that tries to develop out ahead of that line as we work through the overnight. 4 a.m. Wednesday, that's what it may look like. And as we work through the morning hours at 7 a.m., we'll find those storms just beginning to exit the area. As far as temperatures, another warm one tomorrow with highs in the low 80s, but cooler the rest of the week. High 58 on Wednesday, but nice and mild for this upcoming Easter weekend. Bailey?
All right, thanks, Jamie.